This is the normal operating sound for the big pump RO. So you might want to install it in a location where you won't be able to hear it. Like I put it inside this cabinet. That helps a little bit. I can still hear the water shooting over to the drain. I found covering the drain hole really helped with the noise. You still got the boom boom going on over here, but it's making all that noise. See? Much better. Okay. We saw how noisy it can be, but look what you get for pressure. That is 3 times stronger than what you get from a normal RO. That is some serious flow. Oh, since I used the water, it's coming back to life. I only heard 1 click. Oh, there's another click. Okay, I completely drained the tank like you're supposed to do when you first install new membrane and filters. Membrane particularly. And now my big pump is refilling. It doesn't have any air in the lines. And I do have the drain hole covered in the sink there. So all you hear is the pump going click every once in a while. And it's not too bad. I'll definitely get used to it. Because the pressure is fantastic coming out of that faucet. It's amazing. Okay. It's the second day. It's not too bad. Let me show you what I did. I stuck an old pillow behind it, and I stuck an old pillow on top and over it. Also still need to cover the drain. Otherwise it sounds like a porpoise or a manatee coming up for air. Cover the drain, not so bad.